back to Andrew's Garage. Today is a day that I've been dreading and also looking forward to. So I finally got the car all squared away, all put together, and I'm about to drive it down for its longest trip to the last car show of the year. So this past week I've been going way into the night, working hard trying to get this guy done, and I finally got it done, and we're gonna take it for its maiden voyage today. And I'm excited, and I figured I'd just let you guys in on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the camera set up inside the car, and we're gonna go for this cruise. And just like that, I made it to the last car show of the year, and it made it down in one piece, and it came back home in one piece. And the only thing that I figured out was that the radiator cap has a second notch to kind of seal it, and it wasn't on that second notch. So I was getting a little bit of antifreeze kind of leaking out the top real slow. But I got that buttoned up and fixed, and other than that, it gave me 0 issues on the way down and 0 on the way back. It ran great. Like I said, I still have to work on the tune a little bit, change the throttle blade position to try to get the IAC a little better. But other than that, it really is running great for not having it tuned yet and just running off the Terminator software. So it's doing really good, and I think that's where I'm going to call it for today's video. Short and sweet. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and continue next week for the next episode of Andrew's Garage.